main issue that sparked up the heated debate between you and Mr. Malema was because some people are given more time than others.
He's been direct. He was specifically urging the chairperson not to stop that man who had already gone over his time, because he wanted that guy to talk. So I said, no, but you cannot be telling the chairperson first of all, who to point at. Secondly, tell him how long he must give them time to talk.
And what was Mr. Malema's response to you?
No,
just before
first
you
of all,
got
he said, no, if I wanted to chair the meeting, I must chair it. Then I said, no, I'm just saying that the right thing should be done. Don't direct the chairperson. Let the chairperson direct the meeting himself. Finished.
And so is this an indictment on the chair's leadership if he's taking instructions?
He's completely failed. He's failed himself. Even now, he says that now. He has consulted the table. He definitely didn't talk to me.